Team, cross-check these specs against the fuselage.
Copy. The corrosion map aligns.
Wing section next. Watch for vines.
Confirmed. Proceeding to access point.
Check the main fuselage seam here.
The corrosion is extensive.
Frames bent. Noting it. Copy. Checking the wing root. Good. Let's finish this section. Forward structure is solid, but the rear needs reinforcement.
Agreed. The wing spar alignment is off by 2 degrees.
We can adjust that here on the ground plan. The fuselage mods will stabilize it all. Simulations. Right, team, clear the invasive bushes around the grid. Leave the trees. Copy. Starting on the left sector. Copy. Clearing the base. Path looks clear. Good progress. Excellent. Mark the cleared. Mark the primary spar section here.
Got it. Drawing the access zone now.
Ground clearance marked, moving to the fuselage.
Good. Check for structural stress points. Confirmed. All zones.
All right, ground's leveling out here for the path. Copy that, engine base is prepped.
Pathway base is aligning. Powering the grinder now.
Good, keep it precise for the next section.
This section is really stubborn.
Keep at it, we're making progress.
Almost there. It's smoothing out.
Good, let's check the upper panels. This whole section is corroded. We need to check the relays. Copy that. The hydraulics look compromised from here. Agreed. Let's isolate the power before we proceed. On it. Monitoring the pressure.
Alignment looks good. Securing now.
Copy that. Hand me the torque wrench.
Here. Check the base tension.
Base is solid. Next panel. Confirming bed position here, facing the front glass. Yes, that aligns with the blueprints. Okay, marking the bed area now. Perfect, that completes the main.
Okay, hold it steady right there.
Got it, go ahead.
First one's in. One more.
Looks solid. Floor alignment is off by 2 inches here. Noted, check the adjacent panel. Wall insulation is secure, no damage. Good, let's mark this and move to the next. All right, this section needs to be precise. Check the alignment. Got it, sliding it in now. Good, let's secure this one and move to the next. Ready, looks solid. Check this alignment, we need it flush. Copy, adjusting now. Good, next section, keep it tight. On it, looks solid. Panel alignment is good, powering up the lights. Copy that, securing this side.
Lights are stabilizing, blending with sunlight.
Perfect, check the far section. All clear here. Okay, hold it steady. Aligning the top edge now. Perfect, lock it in. Bringing the next panel over.
Light is coming in strong now.
Yeah, the forest is clear. Check the alignment on the left sofa. It's secure now. Good, let's review the full layout. Securing this frame now. Level is good, proceed.
Aligning the countertop.
Next section ready. Drawer looks aligned. Final check.
Hand me the screwdriver.
Here you go. Looks solid. This cabinet is aligned now.
Good, let's check the wiring.
Panels aligned, ready for the first bracket. Copy that, holding steady. Good, passing the fitting now. Got it, securing to the base, confirmed. Moving to the next section.